Okay, this next video is going to be for questions 14, 15, and 16. For number 14, you got to read the question carefully here. It's talking about a couple things: kinetic energy and total mechanical energy of a block when it's getting pulled at constant speed. Now that's going to be key right there. All right. First thing, it says constant speed. So if you have a little incline like that, and we have our block that is moving up the incline, let's talk about this. Total mechanical energy consists of a few different parts. Okay, it has kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, spring potential energy. Right? Kinetic energy must be staying the same because it tells us that we are dealing at a constant speed here. So kinetic energy is the same. If we know that, we can eliminate two of these answers right off the bat. Now, we also notice that our block is moving up. All right. So if your block is moving up an incline, then that means gravitational potential energy must also be increasing. So if your potential energy is increasing, that's a part of your total mechanical energy. So that means total mechanical energy is increasing also, and the correct answer choice is number 3. For number 15, we need to know our electric field line rules. And your electric field line rules, if you remember, are out of positive charges. You go out of positive charges, and into negative. All right. This first one here, we have positive, and we have these arrows going into this positive, so that's a no. This one here, we have lines going out of both positives, so this is a possible. Over here, we have arrows going towards the positive, out of the negative, that's backwards. And over here, we have lines going away from the positive and away from the negative, so that's a no. So your correct answer is right here, because we fulfill this for both, okay, but it's more this getting applied twice. For number 16, you guys have seen this question before, and this question is a little tricky. If you look at the wave coming in, all right, this is the direction of your wave coming in. It's coming in straight like this. All right, that's your wave hitting the barrier. That's your incident. Now, if you are clever, you'll notice that if you have a wave coming in, your angle of incidence needs to equal your angle of reflection. In order to measure that, you need a normal line. And if you are feeling very, very clever, B is actually your normal. And so this angle here is going to be the same as this angle here. So that means that this is your angle of reflection coming out. All right, the same angle, and that is going to be choice C. It's kind of a tough question because I feel like D is sort of reasonable, but if you are careful, you can definitely get C.